Hi everybody, welcome to on Mathmax tutorial. Today we have seen hot questions on integration, and today question is integration sin 2x divided by under root 1 plus sin x dx, and we find the solution by using two methods. Okay, which method is better for this example? Please comment the below section and watch video till and the end. Okay, let's do start. Now we can find the solution by using method 1. Let I is equal to given integration sin 2x divided by under root 1 plus sin x, and we know that all sin 2x is equal to related formula of sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x, and this above integration becomes, we can write as 2 sin x into cos x and divided by under root 1 plus sin x and dx. Okay, now I can here use the substitution method. Therefore substitute 1 plus sin x is equal to, suppose, u square, and this function differentiate with respect to u, then we get here cos x dx is equal to 2 times u and du. Okay, but we know that here present cos x dx, okay, we can replace the value 2 times u du, but we know that sin x is equal to what value? Yes, okay, therefore sin x is equal to, this is u square and this plus 1, we get here minus 1, therefore sin x is equal to, we get u square minus 1. Okay, and this equation 1 becomes, therefore equation 1 becomes I is equal to integration, therefore 2 times, yes, okay, therefore 2 times sin x is equal to u square minus 1 and cos x dx is equal to, we replace the value, therefore 2 times u du, and here divide by whole under root 1 plus sin x is equal to under root, that means this is the u square. Okay, therefore again we can here simplify this term, therefore we get here 2 into 2, this is the 4 times, and this is u square minus 1, and therefore we get here u into u and du. Now we can here observe u here get cancel, and we get here, this is the 4 times under square u square minus 1 bracket complete and du. Now we can find the separate integral, therefore this is the 4 times integral u square du minus integral, this is 1 e du bracket complete. Okay, and now we can find the integral. Yes, u square integral is u cube divided by 3 and minus, this is the u, and plus is a constant of integration. Yes, okay, and now back put here u is equal to, we know that this is the u square 1 plus sin x is equal to u square. Okay, therefore this integration becomes, we can write here as, therefore we know that all here back put. Okay, therefore back put, okay, therefore this is 1 plus sin x is equal to u square, therefore under root 1 plus sin x is equal to u. Yes, okay, and we know that the value of u cube, yes, okay, u cube is equal to, we can as write 1 plus sin x raised to, this is the 2 by 3 terms. Yes, okay, and therefore this integration becomes as I is equal to, this is 4 times u cube, that means this term we can write as 1 plus, this is the sin x, and this is the also 3 by 2, we know that the u cube also, this is the 3 by 2 term. Okay, therefore this is becomes 3 by 2 and divided by 3 minus u, that's mean term, this is the 1 plus sin x raised to, we can write as 1 by 2 and plus is the constant of integration. Yes, okay, now move as a final solution. Okay, therefore we can take a 4 by 3 is common term, and this term becomes as 1 plus, this is the sin x 3 by 2 minus, this is the 3 times term 1 plus sin x raised to, therefore 1 by 2 and plus is c is the constant of term. Therefore here we can get also common, this is 4 by 3 and we get here common the under root, this is the 1 plus sin x, and this term becomes as we can write, this is the 1 plus sin x minus 3 bracket complete and plus is the constant of integration. Okay, therefore this integration becomes 4 by 3 under root 1 plus sin x and in bracket this is the term sin x minus 3 plus 1, this is minus 2 and plus is the constant of integration, and this is my final solution. Yes, got it? Yes, please note down it. Now we can find the solution by using method 2. Let's start. Given integration I is equal to sin 2x divided by under root 1 plus sin x dx, and now I can here numerator and denominator multiple throughout by under root 1 minus sin x. Therefore this integration becomes as integration, and sin 2x is equal to, we know that 2 sin x into cos x and divided by under root 1 plus sin x, and I can here multiple throughout by under root 1 minus sin x and divided by under root 1 minus sin x and dx. Okay, and this integration becomes as 2 times sin x into cos x under root 1 minus sin x and divided by under root, these are the both multiple throughout. Yes, okay, 1 minus sin x plus 1 plus sin x, that means we get 1 minus sin square x, and we know that 1 minus sin square x is equal to cos square x. Therefore this above integration becomes, we can write as 2 times sin x into cos x under root 1 minus sin x and divided by this term under root cos square x and dx. Okay, again we can simplify this term under root cos x is equal to, we can write as to be cos x. Okay, therefore we get 2 sin x into cos x divided by cos x under root 1 minus sin x and dx. Now here observe, cos x get cancelled and we get I is equal to integration 2 times, this is the sin x into under root 1 minus sin x dx. Now both term here we can simplify here. Suppose sin x is equal to, we can write as half angle formula 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Then we know that 1 minus sin x is equal to, we can write as in terms of half angle. Okay, therefore 1 here we can replace cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 in terms of half angle identity. Yes, okay, and minus sin x is equal to, we know that sin x is equal to 2 times sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, and here we know that this is the cos x by 2 and minus sin x by 2 bracket square. Yes, okay, and this term becomes 1 minus sin x simplified term. We know that the value under root 1 minus sin x, and therefore we can also here put the under root term. Yes, okay, and we get outside term, that means we get cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Okay, this is the value for the under root 1 minus sin x. Okay, but also we know that, but also we can write under root 1 plus sin x, we can write also this is term cos x by 2, we can write here only plus sign. Okay, and therefore cos x by 2. Okay, yes, okay, now this integration becomes as, we can find next solution. Yes, okay, let's start. Okay, now this integration becomes, we can write as integration, this is the 2 and sin x is equal to, we know that here 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, then in bracket here we know that under root 1 minus sin x is equal to, we can write term cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 bracket complete dx. Yes, okay, now we can multiple throughout by this term, then here we get, this is the 4 times, we can write in bracket integration, this is we get here sin x by 2 into, we get here cos x by 2 dx minus, we can write also this sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 multiple through in this term sin x by 2, we get sin square x by 2 integration into cos x by 2 and here dx. Now we can here substitute the value. Yes, okay. Therefore we can observe the cos x by 2 derivative present in this term, in this function. That means sin x by 2 and sin x by 2 derivative present in this term. Okay, therefore we can here substitute method. Yes, okay. Therefore substitute, suppose t is equal to cos x by 2, therefore we get here dt minus sin x by 2 into 1 by 2 and dx. Therefore this integration becomes minus dt is equal to sin x by 2 and dx. Yes, okay. And also here substitute, suppose u is equal to, we can substitute here sin x by 2 and this function differentiate, then we get here du is equal to, this is cos x by 2 into 1 by 2 and dx. Therefore we get here 2 times du is equal to cos x by 2 and this is the dx bracket complete. Okay, and now this integration we can write as, let's start the next move, the solution. And now we can write as this integration I is equal to, this is 4 times in bracket we can write here minus 2 dt. Yes, okay. Therefore we can write minus 2 times, this is the t square. Yes, okay. And this integration we can write here minus, this is 2 times also u square. Okay, and bracket complete. Yes, okay. Therefore we can write integration here t square, sorry, dt, and this is minus integration, this is u square du bracket complete, and this is the, sorry, this is 2 times also. Okay, now here we observe minus 2 get here common, that means we get I is equal to, this is minus 8 in bracket integration we can write t square dt, and this is plus also this is u square du and bracket complete. Now we can find the integration. Okay, minus 8 we can write here t cube divided by 3, this is plus u cube divided by 3 and plus c is constant of integration. Okay, and now back put the value, back put t is equal to, yes, okay, t is equal to, we know that there cos x by 2 and u is equal to, we know that sin x by 2, and this integration becomes as minus 8 by 3 get here common, and we can write here cos cube x by 2 and plus sin cube x by 2 and plus c is constant of integration. Okay, and we know that the a cube plus b cube is equal to, we can write a plus b in bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, and now we factorization method here can use, that means we can find the factor. Yes, okay. Therefore I is equal to minus 8 by 3, this is a plus b, that means we can write cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 in bracket we can write here minus ab, that means this term a square plus b square, that means this a square plus b square, that means this is cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 is equal to, we know that 1. Therefore we can write here 1 minus and minus ab, that means this term sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus c is constant of integration. Again simplify this term. Yes, okay, minus 8 by 3, and we replace the value, we know that the cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, replace here value under root 1 plus sin x. Yes, okay. Therefore we can write as in this term replace value 1 plus sin x and 1 minus, we can here write 1 by 2, therefore this is the formula for sin 2x by 2 and plus c is constant of integration. Okay, and therefore we get minus 8 by 3 under root 1 plus sin x, and this term becomes 2 minus 2 times this is becomes 2 minus sin 2x and divided by 2 and plus c is constant of integration. Yes, okay, and we get here final solution minus 4 by 3 under root 1 plus sin x in bracket 2 times sin 2x plus c is constant of integration, and this is my final solution for method second. Yes, okay. If you like this video, then like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.